Hey, good morning. Michael here from Bedrock Weather this morning. Just got a couple of things going on this morning so far. Some stronger storms near Stevens Point, Wisconsin, Antigo, Wisconsin, kind of my neck of the woods there. Looking to be some 60 plus mile an hour winds and maybe some quarter-inch size hail is what they've got on the radar right now. So it's going to be our first round of thunderstorms that are going to be here throughout the day. We're looking at potentially 3 different rounds depending on how the atmosphere recovers between the lines of storms. So we're just sort of figuring out now what things are going to look like. I'm heading down towards the four corners of Wisconsin, Illinois, Iowa, and Minnesota towards like the Dubuque area, and we're just going to kind of stage there this morning. It looks like there might be some earlier initiation for some of these storms, maybe 1, 2 o'clock. If any of these storms do manage to remain discreet as we're chasing, it is a good possibility that we might be able to see a tornado or two today. I think that the main big threat is going to be in that area, and then probably move into northern Illinois, southern Wisconsin throughout the afternoon and evening. And then it looks like there's even a stronger chance potentially tomorrow to see some more of the larger and more longer track type tornadoes in northern Illinois and southern Wisconsin. So stay tuned, and we will be going live today around noon. Also, if you want to follow us on X, it's just Michael Hall WX. We post right there as soon as a destructive severe thunderstorm warning or a tornado warning is issued. You will see it there right away, so it might be good to put that in your feed and stay just sort of weather aware in your area. That covers Minnesota, Wisconsin, Iowa, Illinois, and Nebraska are the states that we typically are watching and warning for posting those posts, as well as our Facebook page, Facebook at Bedrock Weather, and then of course here live on YouTube. If anything major starts to happen, we will let you know, and we will keep you updated and posted. So definitely, if you live anywhere in those areas I talked about, it's going to be sort of the northeastern corridor of Iowa, or in all of really eastern Iowa, northern Illinois, southern Wisconsin, and then there's also another area of concern that I'm starting to see along the border of Wisconsin and Minnesota, pretty much all the way up through the Twin Cities, over into maybe the Shawano, down to Appleton, Green Bay, down towards then Janesville. So there's definitely a large risk area today. The conditions are favorable, but I think it's all going to come down to if the storms can stay discreet, if they can stay isolated, and then if the atmosphere can recover from the more earlier rounds of weather that we're going to see. So I'm not expecting anything more than just severe wind and potentially a little bit of hail this morning. However, anything is possible with these storms. I think they're going to kind of fizzle out here as they track off to the north and east. And then our second line of storms, anything is possible. I'm not sure exactly what to expect, but that third line, especially down in that Four Corners area, Davenport up to Dubuque, over towards Rockford, Janesville, Kenosha, that's what we're going to be watching this afternoon and this evening. And then again, unfortunately, you're going to have a repeat tomorrow afternoon in those same areas. But this stuff is also going to end up impacting southern Michigan, not the UP, but southern Michigan, northern Indiana. So it's going to be a long 2 days ahead as we kind of keep an eye on these storms. Again, just stay tuned, and we'll be seeing you live at about 12 o'clock Central Time.